Welcome to week 6 of our class ED 604. This week, you will have a chance to collaborate the final time with your book team, the people who read the same book that you chose. And what you're doing is planning your presentation and creating that so that next week you can post that in the beginning of the week, and then your classmates can be responding to it. So this is your final week to plan, gather the notes you want to share, think about the reflective questions that you want to ask your classmates, and prepare that together. Every person in your team should have a part of preparing and presenting the narrated PowerPoint or Screencast-O-Matic that you're putting together to share insights on your book. The presentation should last no more than 15 minutes altogether. Finally, the last set of notes that you're taking about some of the readings to think about and consider brain-based information that's so current in today's world with brain scans and the insights that neuroscience can give us in the classrooms and coaching fields. So you'll be thinking about brain-based education, some of the underpinning theories and research that we found, and also some technology links that are pertinent to contemporary education and coaching situations. Instead of doing more reflections on it, what you're thinking about is just the most powerful quotes that you're going to take from each site. So your whole set of notes today that you're doing on your own and turning in is simply for this week 3 of the most powerful insights that you're taking away from each author, Posey and Hammond, and then also from the links that you're looking over with technology and what you think about the use of technology in the classroom or to support coaching. Enjoy this week, and I can't wait to read your collaborations about your book and what you feel is important about brain-based education and technology. Have a great week.